Vibrations in the air all around me quiver through my heart, pulsing through my veins. My body rests on a bed of fallen leaves, a blanket of crispiness covering the earth, fallen death, rotting debris, feeding the life that thrives off decomposition. How funny that nature has never forgotten how to let things go. Yet we, her children, are so determined to know more than our mother, to prove her wrong, be smarter, more powerful, wearing a superhero costume of skin just to hold us together. Our cells remember. With the fullness of the moon, my womb fills with anticipation of a new start, creation of a new life. Metaphors dance in fairies' lights. My blood flows, releasing, letting go of the old which no longer serves, and readying for the new cycles of growth. It mixes with the earth's blood, the fallen leaves, to nourish the whole. The mother's cycle is just longer than the daughter's, yet no different on a quantum plane. The warm breeze that tickles my skin reminds my physical body to breathe. Why do we forget? We must exhale, release the stale breath in order to be filled with the new. What a concept. All around us, nature shows us the way. Why do we not take time to listen?